We'll guide you through how to enable the Play Store when disabled. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you went and disabled the Play Store and now you want to go and enable it again. We're going to guide you through how this is done. When it's enabled, you can then go and use it again. As soon as it's disabled, you aren't going to be able to. For example, I'll go and swipe up, press search at the top, and I'll go and type in Play Store, and it's not going to go and appear. So what we need to do to enable it is swipe up, find settings. You can always search for it at the top or just go and swipe across the pages and find it. Then in settings, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for apps, and you can go and tap there. Now what you need to do is go and find the Google Play Store. You can use a search at the top, or you can go and scroll down like so. And when you go and find it, we need to go and tap on it. As you can see here it is, it says disabled. At the bottom, you can then go and press enable, and that's it. So now if I go and swipe up again and press search at the top, you can go and type in play, and it's now there. If we tap and hold on it, we can go and add it back to home, and that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.